Assalamu alaikum. Peace be with you. Welcome to my channel Ahlam English. Today we are going to see possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. Last time we learned about subject pronouns and object pronouns, and here they are. You can refer back to my previous video to learn about these pronouns. Today we are going to see possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. Possessive adjectives are my, your, his, her, its, our, your, their. Possessive pronouns are mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, yours, theirs. What is the difference between possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns, and when do we use them? Possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns are used to show that something or someone belongs to a person. Both of them show ownership. هذه الضمائر possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns التي هي ضمائر أيضا تستعمل من أجل تبيان بأن الشيء يمتلكه شخص ما، يدل على الامتلاك. هذه الضمائر تدل على الامتلاك، امتلاك الشيء، إما أنا أمتلك الشيء أو غيري يمتلك الشيء. What is the difference between possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns? Possessive adjectives are used with a noun. Possessive pronoun is used without a noun. It is used to replace a noun. الفرق بين هذه الضمائر possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns هو أن possessive adjectives تستعمل مع اسم، تكون متبوعة باسم الnoun. تكون متبوعة باسم الnoun. The possessive pronoun تستعمل بدون اسم، لأن هي في حد ذاتها تعوض الاسم، تنوب عن الاسم. So these are the possessive adjectives and these are the possessive pronouns. The possessive adjectives are followed with a noun. The possessive pronouns are not followed with a noun. Let's see examples in order to understand these possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns, and let's start with possessive adjectives. So let's start with the first person singular. My book, my book, كتابي. My book, كتابي. الكتاب تمتلك هذه الفتاة هذا الكتاب، كتابي. تمتلك هذا الكتاب. This book belongs to this girl. My book, كتابي. My is the possessive adjective and book is the noun. My book, كتابي, and ياء هنا هي ياء المتكلم ويتنوب وهي it stands for my. So my stands for ياء المتكلم هنا. So my book, كتابي. أنا أمتلكه، كتابي. The second person singular, your book, كتابك or كتابك. Your stands for كتابك and كتابك. إما كتابك إما كتابك على حسب الشخص المخاطب، أهي أنثى أم ذكر. Your book. Your is the possessive adjective and book is the noun. Your book. Your book. In this example, we're seeing the third person singular and third thing singular. His, her, its. His book. His book. His book. The book belongs to him. It's his book. His book. كتابه. كتابه. هو يمتلك الكتاب. هو صاحب الكتاب. إذن كتابه. His book. So his is the possessive adjective and book is the noun. هذا هو الضمير وهذا هو الاسم. كتابه. Her book. Her book. Her book. The book belongs to her. She owns the book. Her book. كتابها. كتابها. Here we are given an example of it, as we saw the subject pronoun it, which refers to animals or objects. It هو ضمير لكي يكون يعود على إما نشير إلى الحيوانات أو إلى الجماد. Its ball. كرته. Its ball. Its ball. كرته. So this is a dog. So the ball belongs to the dog. Its ball. كرته. This is the third thing, singular. The first person, plural. Our book. Our book. So the book here belongs to the girl and boy. Our book. كتابنا. كتابنا. Our book. كتابنا. So our is the possessive adjective and book is the noun. كتابنا. Your book. This is the second person plural. Your book. كتابكم. Your book. Your book. كتابكم. Your book. كتابكم. And the third person plural, their book. كتابهم. Their book. The book belongs to this family, to all of them. So it's their book. It's their book. كتابهم. كتابهم. I hope that you understand these possessive adjectives and that these examples make it clear for you to understand them. Let's move on to possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are mine, yours, his, hers, its, yours, ours, theirs. Let's see examples of possessive pronouns. So, my book, here as we said, this is the possessive adjective my, it becomes mine. My book, it is mine, لي, mine, لي. الكتاب لي, mine, it's mine, لي. My becomes mine. Your becomes yours. Your book, it is yours, yours. لك or لك, لك or لك. It is yours, لك or لك. Your becomes yours. His book. His book, this is the possessive adjective. It remains the same in possessive pronoun. له, his. So the third person, singular, masculine, doesn't change. So his remains his. His book, it is his. It is his. له. It is his. له. Her book. Her book, her, the possessive adjective, becomes hers in possessive pronouns. لها. لها, hers, لها. It is hers, لها. Her book, it's hers, لها. Its book, it is its. So its remains its, له. Its refers to the dog here. It's له. Our book, it is ours. Our becomes ours in possessive pronouns. لنا, لنا, ours. The book is ours, ours. لنا, it is ours. Our book, it is ours. لنا. Your book, of course, is the same. This is the plural form and this is singular form. So it is the same. Yours. So it depends on whom you are talking, to whom you are talking. To either one person, so it's yours, laka or laki. If it is plural, lakum. It is yours. So here it's more than one person. It is the plural form. Yours. Your becomes yours. Their, which is the possessive adjective, becomes theirs in possessive pronoun. It is theirs. Lahum. It is theirs. Lahum. Lahum. It is theirs. So let's do a kind of recap. So possessive adjectives are followed with a noun. These are the possessive adjectives, and these are the possessive pronouns. So possessive adjectives are followed with a noun. Possessive pronouns are not followed by a noun because they replace the noun. I hope that this is clear to you and you can now differentiate between possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. So if you liked the video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, and stay tuned for more English lessons with Ahlam English.